It did. There we go.
Go on. Here we go. Here we fucking go.
Please don't boot me this time.
Oh yeah, Muddy Balls are in comp. I didn't realise that.
Yeah, I mean, we've...
There we go, thank God.
Let's go.
I was going to say, no way they don't have one dark
We're
kit.
trying too much without a full team either.
Yeah.
We don't stop. We keep going.
Yep. We need to be ruthless. I don't care who we're playing. Cook 'em.
I want
Clean sheet again for
clean sheets.
So do we play every team twice, right?
Maybe once, I think.
Really? It's only 15 games though.
Maybe you played every team twice, you'd be here for fucking half a year.
Yeah. Oh my, yeah.
So I'll play like a third centre back at times if I have to. Just fucking
Yeah, no, sounds good.
So play a 5 back.
Sounds good, sounds good.
You know what you're doing, bro. Just do it if it feels right.
They have 7. Alright, come on boys, let's go.
My internet feels better already.
This is good movement. Yeah.
Wow. Isn't it?
Why is my guy not gone for that?
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Nice.
Good. Nice.
Yes. If you don't go, that was a terrible pass. I don't know why he's done.
Good movement.
Yeah. Good, good.
Structure, bro.
We have a second as well, let's not be afraid to use it.
Yeah.
Why has he done that?
And this is what happens when we force.
Away.
Nice.
Lovely.
Oh, that's cunt. Alright.
Here we go. It's alright.
Alright, let's go.
Why is it? What the fuck?
You need to drive a bit more there, Seth.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Oh, that's a dead shot right now.
Yeah, it is, it is.
So if you're going to come forward there, you have to make sure you don't lose it.
Yeah.
This AI left back is annoying because he's not keeping his shape at all.
No, it's annoying for me to constantly try and change to him just to get him in position.
Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell.
Yeah. I can
Glad to see that was
it
good
now.
movement.
It's just really annoying.
Yeah, I've got to change its tactics when I get the chance to. Because
He's just not in shape at all.
Square it?
There was a man in the way, bro. There was no chance.
They're going to mark Shona with the keeper.
like, what is like the A like?
Oh, fucking hell.
So offside.
Good save.
What a save!
These guys are better than the other guys by far.
It's alright.
Keep up.
Just go long, Finn. That's it.
Wrong way.
You can't keep going down the same wing every time.
If that's the only wing, Vass, with all due respect, if that's the only wing that's open, that's the only wing we can fucking go down. Like, let's not force left wing just because we haven't used it.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, good job. That's my bad. I was going to end up clearing it.
No one leave the box until it's out of here.
I'm not going to come out.
Good shocks.
Yeah, lovely.
Oh, just unlucky.
Seth, don't dive in, bro.
Like, why is Bobcat on the far post?
Lovely.
5.3.
Play bottom.
Come on.
That works. Oh, that's nice.
Oh!
Oh,
Compose.
Oh, Vass, I tried to play that that to you.
It's alright.
Oh, no way.
How the fuck is he onside there?
Why is he doing? Why is he turning it? I'm not aiming that. Fuck. Sake.
Lovely. Away. Lovely.
Oh, Varsity, you're on.
Go ball.
Options.
It's alright. Yeah, you're back.
Got it back.
He keeps changing me off to the left.
Ah, fuck me.
It's so close.
Good.
Oh, that's... Well in. Oh, what a shit pass. I need a half time. I'm going to try and change these tactics on my right wing and left back. Oh, fuck off. Go serve.
Away. Lovely.
There you go.
Yeah. Fuck off, cunt.
They're just winning every single ball. How's he winning that just like that?
Go line next time, Joe, because you've cut in every time. He's reading it now. Play it through. Oh, here we go.
Yeah. I'm here.
Oh, come on.
Win it.
It's you. Oh, yeah? Come on.
Just get a good cross in now. Just get a good cross in.
Yeah, I'll try.
Wait, whoever just ran up there, come back. They've got so many people up.
Why is he? What? I've got a 5-star weak foot and he tries to do that.
DMs need to come back.
We're on top. We keep pushing.
We only have control of one fullback. DMs need to come back on corners and free kicks and that.
I have no idea. Keep pushing.
Top.
Good. Yeah. Good ball.
That's nice.
Through. That's all you.
I'm going.
I'm here.
Oh.
Win that.
Seth, don't come for that.
Watch over.
Oh my god.
On there.
Good defending.
Good
Job.
I didn't know where else to go. I didn't want to lose it. So. Sorry.
Referee.
Time gone.
Press. Oh. Yeah, good job.
Nice. Alright. Inside.
Nice.
Finish! Oh, please!
Oh my fucking god.
Oh, why is that control to shoot?
Yes!
I can't believe
Fucking
this
love that.
save's come
It's
up.
right. Chill. We just scored. Chill the fuck out.
Top corner. Three. Oh shit, that's my fault.
I've changed
Oh,
the
yeah,
tactic on the
lovely.
left back, so he should be sitting more and just staying back when
That's-
we're going forward.
Play.
Good.
Oh,
Odyssey was very on there.
I know, I saw it, but I saw the gap opening up for you. I wanted to hold him player.
Yeah, I'm a bit rattled at the moment without the fucking keepers saving him.
It's Ryan. It's fine. We're on top of the game.
Oh, I'm offside.
How the?
Hey, Vida.
Oh my god.
I was off.
I'm not.
They keep doing offside trap now, I think.
It's fine.
You couldn't do anything.
It serves us well. We got runners from deep, so there's no point in us fucking worrying about an offside
We're
trap.
okay. Just don't overcommit.
Yeah, stay with that guy. I gotta slow this up.
Oh, fuck.
Hold him, Seth. I'm covering.
Alex, stay up. That's his thing.
Well, I have to fucking come back because we're getting no cover here.
No, you don't. Stay up with an outlet.
Alright? So, stay up.
Nice, that's good.
One sec, we're not perfect. We don't need to do that.
Sorry about that.
Fuck me.
Yeah, they're just hitting off. They're just spamming offside trap as soon as we get the ball.
Alright, so.
Oh, no.
Good.
Good win.
Probably should have swept that, but...
Last few corners that we've all left the box. Staying.
Yeah, we're leaving the box far too early.
Yeah, we just.
Stay back!
Lads!
Where is everyone going?
We all left the box.
Now it's 2D.
Where is everyone going?
You've got to stay in the box, man. You can't just leave me, because then you give them so many opportunities.
I was just saying
I
everything.
didn't realise we were playing with 9 fucking wingers that all need to bomb forward.
Oh, unlucky.
Go on, guys.
Go on. Oh, just played away you're facing.
Oh, for fuck's sake, Seth! The fuck is wrong with you? Great. Fucking fantastic.
Unfucking believable.
Great ball. Wow, that's so delayed on my end.
I can't be asked, bro. Why is he taking that with that foot? I can't be fucking bothered, cunt.
We're definitely not out of it. Come on.
That's a goal.
Play the pass.
Yeah, play it. Yeah, boys.
Go, Vitasy, just go.
I'm here for sweat.
Fast, man.
Fuck, man.
I'm getting cunted this game. Can't do it.
Fuck's sake. Where's the left back on? What? Why is the left back playing
Drains
centre
from
back?
behind.
Oh, this red card is absolutely fucked.
Yeah,
I'm playing right back.
Yeah, we'll play this center.
5 minutes left, you may as well just play it back.
Nice. Cool.
Why the fuck is he I pressed back! What? I chip shotted it! Why the fuck has he crossed it? Is this game fucking retarded or something? Oh my god.
Alright, keep up. Let's go. Make a run.
Go.
Please. Oh.
Oh, boys. Why has it done that? Oh, this game is so fucked. Oh my god, we've actually fucking lost this.
Keep up, we haven't lost it. Keep up. Okay, catch the ball. Jesus Christ, man. Catch me.
Fuck, I'm so pissed off with that goal we fucking conceded. We say that every single time. We even said it before the ball went in, and everyone still fucking will do it. That's really poor. Come on. moments like that where you just fucking lose your heads and then that's it.
Is someone getting into stats?
Yeah.
Well, it's test suspended now, so what happens?
It's suspended.
It must
It's 20 to 3.